Understanding the phrase, firestorm. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, firestorm. This word can be quite powerful and evocative, and it's used in different contexts. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of what firestorm means and how to use it in sentences. Let's start by breaking down the word firestorm. It is a compound word made up of two words, fire and storm. Fire refers to the rapid oxidation of a material in the exothermic chemical process of combustion, releasing heat, light, and various reaction products. On the other hand, storm refers to a violent disturbance in the atmosphere. So when these two words come together, they create a very strong image. In its literal sense, a firestorm is a fire that becomes so intense and large that it creates its own wind system. This is a very rare and dangerous phenomenon usually associated with wildfires. The intensity of the firestorm can result in superheated winds with very high speeds, which can cause the fire to spread rapidly. Apart from its literal meaning, firestorm is often used figuratively to describe a situation that is very intense, controversial, or that has provoked a lot of strong reactions from people. For example, if a celebrity makes a controversial statement, it might create a firestorm of criticism on social media. Now, let's see how we can use firestorm in sentences. Literal: the wildfire turned into a firestorm, making it impossible for the firefighters to control the blaze. Figurative: her recent comments on politics caused a firestorm on Twitter. In both examples, you can see how the word firestorm is used to convey intensity and a high level of activity or reaction. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on the meaning and usage of the word firestorm. Whether it's describing an intense wildfire or a controversial situation, firestorm adds a level of intensity to your language. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning of this powerful phrase for you. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.